Hi, this is John Robertson. It's been a few weeks since I've spoken to you. Today's budget day, and as you can see, there's lots of paperwork for me to digest, and lots of people will be going through it in fine detail. But the headlines, the things that really mean something to me, and I hope you, are things like, well, probably the main headline is that we're not going to cut our way out of recession, but we're going to grow our way out of recession. And I think that's right. What does that mean? Well, it means what we're doing for pensioners, consolidating the winter fuel allowance. Families, we're looking at child tax credit, thresholds going up so people get more, same with pensioner credit. And we're introducing something for grandparents, some help for them who are looking after young children. So families is still the number one thing that we look at in this government. I think that's important. Unemployment is obviously a big one. We're in recession, and we have to look at that. And what we're doing for young people in particular, under 25, come January, if a year unemployed, then we either guarantee them a job or we guarantee them training to get a job. And I think that's important. I think people have to look to the future. We're also asking the rich to pay more. I don't have a problem with that, and I'm sure you don't. The higher rate of tax for the top 1% going up to 50%. I think is totally in order, and we'll raise something like £7 billion over the next 3 years. So I think these things are important. These are just some of the things that are going on in the budget. There's lots more, and you'll hear about them on television. I think it's important that we realise that we have to grow our way out of this recession, and we all have a bit to do. And at the end of the day, we still have to pay for it. So we're still a long way to go down the road. The Chancellor says we'll start to come out of recession by the end of the year, or at the end of the year, but even then it will take a long time to come out, and unemployment will probably still rise for some time after that. So people have to feel that the government is doing something for them. I believe we put in place those things that are necessary. I hope you agree with me, and I look forward to talking to you in the near future. Thanks for listening.